guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 36. Let's see what happened. Official in outside Crown Prince Mansion. Your Highness, after my investigation, someone did indeed switch the poisonous snake. Abot pa rin yun sa poisonous snake yung nila, investigation. Siyempre, muntik nang mamatay si Banshai nun eh. However, by the time it was discovered, that person had already been silenced. It seems to be someone from the palace. May gustong pumatay kay Banshai. Uh-oh, that's too bad. Zishu, I remember a few days ago, you went to the palace with your aunt. Yay, suspicious na. Grabe yung mata, eagle eyes talaga. What did you do after entering the palace? Uh-oh. Cousin, I swear, I only went with my mother to visit the Empress Dowager, and coincidentally attended the Empress bucket. I didn't tell anyone inside the palace about the snake incident that scared Banshai. This matter ends here from now on. Focus on investigating private currency. You may leave. Understood. Zishu would have leaked information, but she might have unknowingly been tricked into revealing something. Oo nga, baka nasabi niya si Banshai yung gusto talaga ni Crown Prince, maging Crown Princess. Oh no, that will be bad. It might be the Empress. Master, news from the medicine house. Miss Five and her siblings were criticized and beaten by Marcus Yao Dao to the theft of the red coral. Due to the theft. Ba, pati yan report? Siyempre, magagalit siya, nasaktan yung niya. Baby girl. What? Glench. Naku ka ngayon. Napaka-possessive pa naman ito ni Crown Prince sa kanyang baby girl. The second day. The Lily Mansion. Sana naman tong Lily Mansion na to. Miss, I'm back. I'm back. Miss, it hurts me so much. Woo. Just finished administering medicine. Put on. Siya yung umiyak, hindi naman siya yung nilagyan. Si Banshai naman yung nilagyan ng gamot. What happened to you? Shin Rulyu. Sino na naman to si Shin na ito? Xiaoyao, you're crying so much. It's like I'm about to die. Don't scare, Rolu. Later, my brothers helped me black a lot, so I was only slightly injured. Wipe away. Slightly, pero maano pa rin. Malaki pa rin. Paano na kayo yung mga brother niya, no? Rulyu, you came back at the right time. I want to hear some good news. Ano nga yung inutos niya? Yung sa gamot, yung sa cream ata yun? The drugs you gave me, Rulyu sold all of them, so I came back to restock. This is the silver obtained from the sale, a total of 9,800 silver tickets. Oh my God, you earned so much in just a short month. O, diba? Siyempre, magaling yung cream na ginawa ni Banshai eh. I'm fine. It doesn't hurt at all. Nawala yung sakit. Kasi nagkapera. This is the first time I've seen Miss this happy. Siyempre, pera na yan eh. Without a shop, How did you sell these goods? O nga, paano mo nabenta yun? At first, I delivered the goods to the shops, but those bosses were all shrewd and didn't want to sell without profit. Hmm, ayaw nila magbenta. So I raised the price, set a commission, sold more, and those bosses were willing to promote it. How's the reaction to those beauty creams? Oo nga, ganda pa naman yun. The efficacy of the ladies' medicine is fast and obvious. I used people's curiosity to publicly test it, and its remarkable result caused everyone to scramble to buy it. Only buy from reputable merchants. Parang lang endorsement. Ah. In the end, there weren't enough goods, and those who didn't buy them kept urging the servants to hurry up and restock. Nagpa-free sample siya. Tamo yan, apply, apply. Nga naman, paano nila malalaman kung effective yun kung hindi nila makikita ang effectiveness ng isang item? Magaling, magaling. We've worked hard. This is what you deserve. Give Lurr something good. Ooh, thank you, miss. Take over. This Madame Chin was able to make name for herself in her past life. She really does have a business mind. I didn't misjudge her. Stay and rest in the mansion for a few days and accompany Lear. I'm speeding up medicine production this few days. Gumagawa siya. Ano ba yun? Yung pinapakita sa story, ah. Yes. Xiao Yao grinds ink. I've made a list. You quickly go to the market to buy medicinal materials. These few days will be busy. Gagawa sila ng maraming beauty cream. Turn around. Yes, but you shouldn't tire yourself out too much. Smooth it over. Since the medicine is selling well, you'll buy a lot? Should we open a clinic? Clinic. Night has fallen. We cannot afford to be without a housekeeper in the mansion. Jinshi will certainly try to place her own people here again. We must take primitive action. Apply. But we cannot directly confront Jinshi. Why not publicly recruit and choose carefully? Bigla ka na namang dumating. Nasa bintana ka? Bintana nga siya. What are you doing here? Siyempre, naka-ubad siya tapos bigla kang dumating. Ano ba? Ikaw, Crown Prince, ha? It's been a few days since we've seen this warm Jin. Jump down. Pumasok ka na naman sa bahay ng may bahay. I miss it very much, so I came to visit. Palusot mo, boy. Anyway, that's the end of the chapter. Let's see what will happen next. Kung mabebenta ba lahat yung beauty cream niya? Matatalo na ba niya si Jinshi? We don't know. Right, see you in the next chapter, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next